Attention all creators and aspiring influencers. Are you tired of spending hours searching for the perfect audio for your Reels, Shorts, and TikTok videos? Look no further. In today's video, I'll be showing you a groundbreaking tool that will revolutionize your content creation game. Get ready to unlock the power of ElevenLabs' mind-blowing text-to-speech technology. Say goodbye to mundane audio and hello to
captivating AI-generated voices.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Fat Cats, and I recently created 50 motivational Instagram Reels using AI images from Midjourney and CapCut, and want to share what I've learned from that experience. And here's an example of one of my Instagram Reels that uses audio from ElevenLabs' text-to-speech tool.
You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough.
Cool, so here we are in ElevenLabs, and if you guys didn't know, ElevenLabs is an AI text-to-speech tool which allows you to input text and create an AI audio saying that specific text. For example,
these nuts in your mouth.
And there you have it. ElevenLabs does have a free sign-up where every month you're also allotted 10,000 characters to use the text-to-audio tool. So to take the example of the video I showed you earlier, the first step in creating the audio for my specific motivational content is really just finding a quote that fits my motivational theme, right? And usually I'll look through Google, Reddit, any other social media app for inspiration. So once I find the text that I'm looking to generate an audio for, I'll go ahead and paste it in the text box right here. Also, I'll go ahead and spread out the words and actually add these dashes in between the different segments, just because I learned that if I were to do that, it'll help create a bit of a delay for the AI to say the next bunch of words, so it doesn't say the whole stream of words in one fast go. So once I have the text set up, I'm then gonna focus on the settings up here. And in the first drop down is going to be the selection of AI voices for you to choose from. And you could also demo each of these voices by pressing the play button in the side right here. So for example,
allow the world to live as it chooses and allow yourself to live as you choose.
There's power in looking silly and not caring that you do.
Cool, so I'm going to go forward with Bruce right here. So once I find a voice that I like, I'm next going to go to the second drop down menu called Voice Settings. And the only setting I really adjust here is the stability feature. So pretty much if you lower it, it's supposed to give the voice more emotion, and if you scroll it higher, it's supposed to make the AI voice much more stable. And I've personally found it successful to have it a bit lower to add some depth of emotion to the generated voice. Cool, so once everything is set, I'll go ahead and click generate.
You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough.
By the way, you might have heard the spaces in between the different phrases. So just a tip right there, if you want some spaces in between different words or different phrases, I suggest you put dashes in between. But anyways, you can also adjust and edit that in several different video editors. Awesome, so once it generates, I'll be ready to download this audio and be able to take it to the video editor of my choice. And in my personal experience, I found that CapCut is a really great way for you to edit this audio, as well as space it even more if there is space that needs to be in between phrases, and or you could add music to that audio as well. So here I am in CapCut, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to upload the AI generated sound to input into my video. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and click audio on the bottom left. I'm going to click on sounds, and then on sounds I'm going to move over to this folder right here and then click on from files. So I'm doing this all on my iPhone, and then I'm going to choose the file that has the audio that I'm looking for. Go ahead and test it out.
You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough.
And there you have it, guys. I just upload the audio here in CapCut, so I'm ready to go ahead and finish editing my video. Like I said, you can also edit this sound. If you need to spread apart the audio, go ahead and just split that. Spread the audio a little bit. Or if you want to go ahead and add some cool voice effects, and or what you can also do is add a background sound to that audio to add to the video quality of the content that you're looking to create. Awesome, well, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Hopefully this was an insightful video. If you're looking for more editing tips and tricks, please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video.